Want to join Chinese TikTok the right way? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to create your Douyin account on PC, Android, or iPhone without any confusion. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by like the video and leave a sweet comment. So guys, first of all, as you already know, we need to open any browser. And yes, I'm pretty sure many of you are using Google Chrome. But hey, don't worry. The exact same steps I'm about to show you can also be used on Android and iPhone. Just make sure that desktop mode is enabled. That's important. Now, simply go to Google and search for Douyin.com. As soon as you press enter, you'll see an interface like this on your screen. Alright, now look at the top right side, you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on login. Now listen carefully, this is important. At the top, you'll see two options. One says use phone and the second says use password. Since you want to create a new account, make sure you select the use phone option. After that, enter your phone number so that Douyin can send you a verification code. And please, very important, make sure you select the correct country code. Otherwise, you won't receive the code and it can cause problems. Once you've selected the country code and entered your number, you'll see the send code option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll receive a verification code on your phone. Simply copy or type that code into the box provided. Then tap on the login or sign in button. And boom, just like that, your new Douyin account will be created successfully.